Long known as a trusted supplier of fine electronic ballasts, Fulham has also emerged as a global supplier of new technologies, including LED drivers, light engines, LED modules, and emergency lighting solutions. As a worldwide leader in the lighting industry, Fulham uses American innovation to generate the spark for global production. Introducing Fulham India. Fulham's unbeatable engineering program commences from inception of an idea and goes through a development process involving FMEA analyses, prototyping, beta site testing, and trial test runs. Each product and design goes through a rigorous global validation process before commercial release. Each design engineer has a complete test setup consisting of storage ocular scopes, power measurement equipment including measurements of high frequencies, and E-loads, or electronic loads. The R&D facility is also equipped with a high-surge test bench and an EMI test setup. The product reliability setup includes processes for accelerated life tests and consists of equipment such as environment chambers, ovens for elevated temperature tests, temperature sensors for critical component thermal tests, and refrigerated chambers for low-temperature ignition tests. Fulham's rigorous quality control program ranks among the highest in the industry, resulting in a remarkably low product failure rate. Fulham's products have been certified for use around the world by organizations such as UL, SASO, CE, BIS, CCC, and ENEC, and have also won several design innovation awards. The production line has an auto-sequencing and auto-insertion dual headline from Universal USA, which ensures air-free component preparation and insertion. The two SMT lines from Philips Europe have a combined speed of 130,000 CPH, ensuring a high accuracy in SMT component assembly. The four manual assembly lines use highly trained manpower for insertion of radial and other components. Fulham follows a best-in-class wave soldering process and automated test systems for measurement of all key parameters with pass-fail limits programmed into the test setup. All the data is stored for traceability and identification. Fulham follows a process of potting all LED drivers to ensure better heat dissipation and resistance to moisture. The 100% burn-in process further ensures each and every product is rigorously tested before it leaves the Fulham manufacturing facility. The production planning team and supply chain teams ensure customer requirements are met on time, every time. Fulham provides several value-added services to its customers, which include light output testing of fixtures and LED modules, for which it has the best-in-class light integrating sphere from LabSphere USA. Fulham also conducts luminaire reliability testing for its customers, which include thermal tests, mechanical tests, and IP tests, which aid our customers in ensuring high-quality products are delivered by them in the market. The future holds the promise of connected and intelligent lighting products, and Fulham is leading the charge with new products featuring data and communication capabilities. Whether you need commercial, industrial, or niche lighting components, or anything else where dependable, versatile, low-maintenance lighting is essential, Fulham can more than likely meet your needs. From inception to engineering, to planning, to manufacturing, to quality assurance, to finished goods leaving our facilities and shipping all around the world, Fulham is ready to serve you.